Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss next topic is mirror equation, or mirror formula. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F is the focal length and v is the distance between the source image distance. Okay, u is the objective distance. Now we will discuss, we can derive the formula, mirror formula or mirror equation, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. U is the objective distance, v is the image distance, f is the focal length. Okay, we can derive the relation. Okay, from start initially we can take convex or concave mirror, any mirror. You can take one mirror is there. Okay, it having having what opaque surface. Okay, one principal axis passes through the head center, that is pole of spherical, that is P, pole of the principal pole of the spherical mirror, that is P, and AB, B and A is the objective can emit the light ray, incident ray, that is ray of light can be pulsed on a mirror that can be reflected. It can be passes through the focus point, that is it is passes through the focus point, that is F. Focus point is it can be explained in the previous chapter. Focus point means the path of light, that is number of rays, reflected rays are merged at a certain point. Okay, at certain point, this point is called focus point, that is AB is the objective, emits the light ray. It can be pulsed on a mirror that can be reflected, they through principal axis. It is a principal axis. Okay, another ray is fall on a mirror. It can be it can be reflected corner, it can be reflected like this. Okay, you can here forming a image, there will be form a image. There is a dash, there is a B dash. Here center of curvature. Here we can draw the normal line from A to A dash. We can draw the normal line A to A dash. Okay, now we can explain the what is happening in this situation. Okay, we can, in this case the image will be appear, that is real image or virtual image, that is real image or virtual image, whatever maybe. How to form a real image, how to form a virtual image, I will discuss. Here, if the ray is emitting from a point which will meet another point after reflection, that point is called image of the first point. That is one image objective, it emits the ray, it can be reflected, and also we can draw the normal image to object to image. We can draw the line. This line is occur normal, this image and object to this is the first image of the object. This is the object to, this is the image. A dash, B dash is the image. AB is the object. It is the it is a image can be occur, that is a real image or a virtual image. Now when it is occur real image, if the rays actually converted into that point, that means here suppose it is a image A B that can be converted into, it can be occur in the A dash B dash in the same upward, that is negative or forward, that is negative or positive, both will be negative or positive, that is image distance and object distance in the same, in the negative or negative or positive, that is the real image will be formed. This is the real image. Suppose it is a objective, it can it is a image, it is objective image, that is it is virtual image. That means objective distance is negative, image distance is positive, anyone positive, both of out of image distance and object distance, anyone is positive, we get the virtual images. Both objective and objective distance and image distance will be positive or negative, both will be the same, we get the real image. Okay, there is we can explain the how to forming image. Okay, that is we can form a real image. See here, it is virtual image, it is always do not actually it but appear to the divert to the produce backward means reverse, it is downwards, you can form a image in the backward, that is the form a virtual images. Okay, suppose when a object to A is emits the ray fall on a mirror, it can be reflected through the focus point. Okay, and also the emission of reflected rays can be measured or intercepted at certain point. That point is called imaging point. Okay, when light is emitting, that is the objective. When reflecting images can be intercepting and measured at a certain point, that is the imaging point or images can be occur. That image can be real or virtual images. When real is occur means both will be in the objective distance and image distance, both will be positive or negative, both are same, you can get the real image. Suppose anyone are positive or another one is negative, we get the virtual images can be formed in the concave and convex mirrors. Okay, in this case AM, we can take this here AM, we can choose in this point AM. Okay, AM is parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis means when line is joining to the passes through the center of curvature through pole of spherical mirror. That is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Okay, here F is the focus of the mirror. This is the F is the focus of mirror, means when reflected rays are goes through the focus mirror. That can be explained in the previous lecture. Okay, the mirror ACN, we can draw this N is a normal line. ACN is a normal line. Here is this is the image, objective. AB is the objective, A dash B dash is the image. A C N is a normal line passes through the ridges. It can be path. N to A dash to A. That can be path can be formed in the concave or convex error. The ray of passing through the concave mirror passes through the direct towards the focus of the concave mirror. In this case, the ray passes through the direct towards the focus point in the case of concave mirror, or appearing to passes through the direct towards the focus of the convex mirror reflected in the parallel to the principal axis. That means here the focus point in the case of concave is like this. In the case of convex, focus point is here. This is the focus point. The incident light reflected. This is the reflected rays. That is the image can be occur outside. This is the inside of the mirror. The reflected rays. This is the reflected images can be intercepted at certain point or focus point. That point is called a focus point. Now ACN normal line. Okay, here we can draw the sign conversion. Sign conversion means you can measure the all distances from the pole of the spherical mirror. P is the pole of the spherical mirror. We can measure the all distances from the spherical mirror. So see here, from C to P. C to P is the R. CP is equal to R. That is the radius of the curvature. That is B dash P. B dash P is the focal length, and B objective to pole, that is BP. B to P is the image distance, objective distance, that is objective distance is U. Next, B dash P. Okay, sorry, B dash P is the image distance, that is V. That is FP. FP is the focal length. See here, from the focus point to F to P is the focal length. That is B dash image to pole of the semi-sphere, pole to, that is image to P, that is the pole of the spherical mirror, that is the image distance. From here objective to P, that is the B to P is the objective distance. C to R, that is the radius curvature of the radius of the curvature. Okay, see here, CP is the radius of curvature. B dash P is the image distance. B to P is the B to P is the objective distance. Okay, F to P is the focal length. Okay, here we can measure the sun conversion means we can measure the all distances. Okay, you know rates of the curvature, image distance and object distance and focal length. From this we can derive the mirror equation. Okay, we from this equation from this one we okay, distances measured in the all direction from the P. Okay, suppose in the first one, that is first in this case sign conversion, distances measured in the direction of incident ray. Incident ray are taken as positive, that is forward, and opposite to the incident ray taken as negative. That means distance is in the direction of incident. Suppose incident ray, where is it? It is incident ray. In the case of incident ray, that is we can take the positive. Okay, opposite direction. Suppose this direction, that is negative is the forward direction, positive is the negative direction, opposite direction. And also in this case it is having positive, it is having negative. Okay, or this one or this one. In the upward direction, objective, that is positive. Okay, this is the negative, downwards. Or in the case of image line is passing through that, it is forward direction, this is positive, its reverse direction is negative. So the distance of the image is incident ray taken as a positive when it is in the forward direction. Suppose the incident ray is in the opposite direction, we can take the incident ray is in negative direction. And also all heights of the above principal axis, principal axis is the image below the principal axis, we can take the negative. Above the principal axis we can take the positive. There is a principal axis, center of the spherical mirror. That is in below the principal axis we can take the negative values. Above the principal axis we can take the positive values in the concave and convex mirrors. So you can derive the principal image mirror equation from this diagram. We can take the two right angles, that is one is A dash B dash F is a right angle, another right angle is M P F. Here A dash B dash F, that is here A dash B dash, here F. Okay, one right angle, another one is MPF. Where is M? Okay, here MPF. Okay, see here M, one is A dash B dash F, one right angle, another one is P F is a, see here, M P F. There is a another right angle. Another one is A dash B dash F. Two right angle will be taken. From this can derive the image equation. Both rectangle in the similar. That's why we can write the equation, rectangle equation, that is B dash A dash by P M. Okay, P M or B dash F dash by F phi. Okay, F phi. Okay, comparing, both will be in the same direction. From this two rectangles we can comparing. B dash A dash equal to PM. Okay, and B dash F is equal to FP. B dash F is equal to, suppose here B dash F is equal to 5 centimeter. Here F P is equal to 5 centimeter. Both having similar. Suppose here A dash B dash is equal to 2 centimeter. PM is the 2 centimeter. It will be in the, both are right angles, both having in the same nature and similar cases. That's why we can comparing the both rectangles. Okay, from this one we can write down from above equations. B dash A dash by PM is nothing but here PM is nothing but here this distance is equal to this distance, because this principal axis is parallel to the incident light. The AB is the incident light, that is AM. AM is the incident light ray is equal to the BP. That is, this is distance is 20 meters. This distance also 20 meters. That is, both are in parallel. This one will be parallel. Parallel means same distance. That's why PM can be written as a BA or AB is equal to B dash F by FP. This is only it is from diagram. The diagram is main important. They can see here. Okay, now since the angle between the, according to law of reflection, the incident angle is equal to, that is APB incident angle is equal to reflected angle, that is A dash P B dash. That is the right angles. In the case of right angles, the incident angle equal to the angle of reflected angle. Okay, so in other both will be are similar or same. Okay, now we can write down the above equations. B dash A dash is equal to BA from this one. That is, here both are in the rectangle is same. That's why we can write down B dash is equal to B dash P by B P. That is, B dash P is equal to B dash F. See here, B dash F is equal to B dash F is equal to B dash P from this one. B dash P, B dash okay, this angle is same. That's why we can write the BF is equal to B dash F is equal to B dash P. This B dash can be written as this equation, that is b dash a dash by b a is equal to b dash p, that is here p is there, f is there, b is there, it is a dash b dash. Okay, this is the focal length, this is the b dash p, b dash p is the image distance, that is v. Okay, that is b dash p is equal to bp minus bf. Okay, then I simplify this equation. This is the equation number 2, equation number 2 and equation number 1. This is equation number 1. From the equation number 2, equation number will be same or similar, that's why we can write down. From the equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can simplify comparing both equation, that is b dash a dash is equal to b a. Okay, here b dash p by b p in the form of the equation number 2. From the equation number 2, that is b dash f is equal to fp. That's why equation number 2, equation number 1 is b dash a dash is equal to ba is equal to b dash f by fp, equation number 1. Comparing equation number 1 and 2, okay, left hand side both are same, b dash a dash by ba, b dash a dash by ba. Right hand side will be different, that is b dash f by fb is equal to what, b dash p by b dash p by, both are in equal, left side are equal, that's why right side also equal, that is b dash p is equal to b dash f and b dash p is equal to fp, that is fp, that is p dash p is can be written as b dash b dash f, sorry, b dash f, that is b dash p minus fp, b dash p ni that can be written as b dash p minus f dash p from the diagram here, that is p is there, f is there, this b dash, it is a dash b dash, that is b dash b dash f is equal to b dash p minus this one. Okay, b dash f is equal to b dash f is equal to b dash f is equal to b dash p minus fp. Okay, see here, suppose this distance is, total distance is 20 centimeter, that is b dash to p dash is 20 centimeter. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. Okay, I don't know what is the distance between the b dash to f, that's why 20 minus 10 just we get the b dash f, that is 20 minus 10, that is b dash minus p minus f dash p, we get the b dash p. Okay, this one, from this one f p or b p. Okay, from this one we can write down here b dash, we know the values of b dash p. Here b dash p is the distance, image distance, that is u. F dash p is focal length, that is bp. bp is the objective distance. Suppose here b dash p, from the diagram, see a diagram here, b dash p, that is negative upward direction, that is why we can take the image distance is negative. Image distance is negative because the image is in the downward direction, that's why we can take the negative. And also focal length is in the reverse direction, opposite. Suppose image is in the, take this way, forward direction, we can take the positive, but it is image is formed in the opposite direction. This is the image in the, suppose image is formed forward direction, we can take the plus. Also opposite direction we can take the negative, that is f is equal to take the negative. And also see here the image distance in the upward direction, that is a b dash p, sorry, bp means, okay, that is a forward direction, that is reflected ray is in the reverse direction, that is why we can take negative, okay, in the case of concave. Okay, these values are substituting in the above equation. This one bf, b dash f is equal to f is equal to bp. bp means, b dash p means minus v minus into fp. fp means minus f plus f by bp. bp means minus u. Okay, here b dash f means, b dash f means u minus image distance bf, okay, minus u bf is equal to bp. Next fp is equal to minus u, minus cancel, okay, we can take common, minus is common, v minus f by minus u is equal to v by u, okay, minus cancel, okay, that is v by u minus f by u is equal to v by u. Okay, now dividing this equation number 3, this equation can be divided into, on both sides multiply, divided by 1 by v, that is 1 by v into v by u minus 1 by, sorry, f by v, f by u. Okay, sorry, like some mistake is there, that is here fp is equal to fp, here fp is equal to minus f, here minus f, okay, here from this one some mistake is there, that is minus v plus f by minus f is equal to minus v by minus u, okay, minus cancel, that is it is a bp from this equation, bp is equal to minus v, FB is equal to minus F, BP is equal to minus F minus U, FP is equal to minus F. These values are substituting, we get the relations. See here, minus U minus minus plus minus by minus F. Okay, image distance by arbitrary distance, minus minus cancel, take minus common, V minus F by minus F is equal to V by U. Okay, minus minus cancel, next V by F minus F by F means 1 is equal to V by U. This is the equation number 3. This is dividing by 1 by V on both sides. Both sides means 1 by V into V by F minus 1 into 1 by V is equal to V by U into 1 by V. Here VV cancel, VV cancel. Okay, now 1 by F minus 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. Okay, from this equation, 1 by U, 1 by V goes to the side, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the mirror equation. This equation is called known as mirror equation. This equation is known as mirror formula or mirror equation. Okay, is the one, F is the focal length, U is the image arbitrary distance, V is the image distance. Okay, now see here,